Here we're going to be looking at how to build a book app. Something like this can be able to design a way you can write your books and be able to publish to the Play Store. So without wasting much of our time, let us just get started. For us to do this, we need to go to our project and then start new project, write book app. Okay. Okay, so now I don't want this screen one to show, so we are going to remove it. For you to do that, just scroll down and then uncheck title visible. Okay, it has gone out. So the first thing we need to do is to get a list picker. So we drag and drop and then go to width, fill to parent. Then we come down and then change it to content. Okay, so we can change the background color to something blue. So we are going to change the text color to white. Okay, so you may wish to also increase the font size, something like 18. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is to go to layout and get vertical scroll arrangement, drop and then make the height fill to parent, the width fill to parent. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to go back to user interface and get our label. Okay, drop. Maybe we can change it to just put info. Okay, okay, so we can change the background to white. So the next thing we have to do is to click on the list picker. You will see element from string. This is where we are going to paste the contents. So for us to do that, you have to go to text editor and then type all the contents, separating them with comma. You can see it here. Make sure you separate them with comma and then without spacing. Just copy them, then go back to element from string and paste them there. Okay, that's all. Now we are done. Let's go to the block. Now what we have to do is go to list picker and say when list picker, after picking, then we should go to control and get if block. So what we do is we go to logic and get this. Then we go back to list, go down to list picker selection. Okay, then we go to test. So now we can go back to our text editor, get the first item, which is your element. Okay, just paste it here. So what we are saying is if the selection is equal to this button or whatever text that you put in here, then what we should do is go to label and go to get label text. Okay, set label text 2. Place it here, and then can duplicate this text, place it here, then go back to where you have put in your write-ups. Okay, so I want this write-up to be there. So I simply copy, and then go back there and paste it in here. So what we are saying is, if the selection is button, let the text, the label text, be this write-up. So that means this info will change to the write-up we placed inside the text box. Okay, so now we can simply duplicate them to the number of the content that you have there. Okay, so what you need to do is just simply go there, copy the second, then place it there. Okay, so change the right of this text to the next element. This is this. You can see it here. Okay, then go to the third one, that picker, change it, place it here, then copy it, paste it here. Then we'll get the last one, image, then place it here, and copy it, and press it here. Okay, so that's all. Then let us test what you've done. Test it out. Okay, you see it here. Can go to the big boss. Okay, so this is how you can be able to do your book writing. Regardless of the number of pages you have, you can be able to do it here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that, because I'll be posting videos regarding how you can be able to build software without actually coding.